Hello everyone, welcome to Sibel's World. Today I'm going to make a pizza with you. So I'm going to show you how to make a dough, how to make a sauce, and how to make a topping for pizza. So first I'm going to prepare the dough. For the dough we need 9 cup plain flour, 60 gram yeast, little bit of sugar and salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, and 4 cups water. That makes 1 liter water. So first, make a hole middle of your plain flour. Then get your yeast and put in this hole and squish them. Put the salt and sugar. When all the ingredients combine, and you need at least 10 minutes your dough, that's not gonna sticky anymore. Like this, you can see it's not sticky, so that means it's ready. Now I'm going to transfer this in the different bowl. And then cover with the sealing wrap. Let it bloom your dough for half an hour. For the sauce, I got 5 chopped tomato, onion, garlic, tomato paste, olive oil, Italian herbs, and salt. Now I'm gonna cook this. Transfer the olive oil in the saucepan. Wait a little bit to get warm. When it's warm enough, transfer the onion and garlic. Now transfer the tomato paste. and then tomato, salt, Italian herbs, little bit of water, cook 10 minutes, then sauce is ready. Now you can turn off the heat. After half an hour, dough is ready. For the topping, first we need to put the sauce all over the dough. I already put the two of them. Now I'm going to show you this one. Let's put the sauce everywhere on your dough. Alright, now time to put the topping. For the topping, we're gonna make 3 different pizza. One with vegetables, one is the meat lovers, one margarita. So first I'm starting with the vegetable. So first we need to put mozzarella cheese, actually I'm gonna put all of them. For the then black sliced olives for margarita, for the vegetarian I put some sliced mushrooms, And this one salami. Beef salami, or you can use chicken. That's your choice. If you like, you can use chicken salami or beef. And I put some sucuks. It's more garlic flavor and it's yummy taste. And on top of the meat, you can put some mushrooms. More mushrooms for vegetables. I love mushroom, it's yummy. Also now you can put some green and red capsicum. I already chopped. Then I love onion with the vegetable. Some onion, then corn. And the last one is olives, black sliced olives. Pizza is ready for cook. Now preheat the oven for 5 minutes. Then place the tray in the oven 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Then it's ready. Well, all my pizzas are cooked. They all crispy and delicious. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.